Add half cup of fresh pasteurized milk. Gradually add 2 cups of milk powder and mix. Set it aside. Place pan on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of butter or ghee. Ghee is a better option as this is a traditional Indian sweet. Add the milk powder mixture. Mix it all together. Never stop mixing as this is a short process. After 2 minutes, add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Keep mixing as it will get burned at the bottom and taste bitter, or the milk will rise. After 5 minutes, it might turn this thick. We have to wait for it to turn as thick as a dough. After it comes to this stage, we're going to set it aside and cool it. It will take about 6 to 10 minutes and keep the stove on low flame for the whole process. Transfer it to a bowl. Once it had cooled down, form ball out of it and stick almonds or pistachios in the middle and serve it. This recipe makes about 20 to 25 bowls. So it's a must-try recipe. Make it and enjoy.